Hi everyone, welcome to Health 202 Introduction to Health Systems. I try to make these brief audio recordings to accompany the PowerPoints in hopes that it captures some of the key points of the text. So the U.S. healthcare system is quite honestly best described as kind of a convoluted mess. It is a multi-payer system, multi-layered system, and is unlike any other system we have seen in the world. It is very fragmented and very siloed with a set of subsystems and is still very much reactive-based medicine instead of prevention-based. So some of the terminology this particular chapter covers will include provider, reimbursement, Medicare and Medicaid, vastly different by the way, healthcare reform. Within that, we may cover a little bit of the Affordable Care Act, if not in this chapter, definitely in future chapters. Utilization and socialized healthcare, which I'm sure everyone has heard about. So one of the things I want you to think about as you're going through this chapter is thinking about the disparities in accessibility in health care. Do all of us actually have the opportunity to receive the same level of care? And within that same question, do all of us actually have equal access to care? Great questions. Hopefully we're going to address some of that during this course. I get very excited about it, so sorry about my passionate viewpoint on it. Healthcare globally, the US is the only wealthy country, quote unquote wealthy, that does not have a universal healthcare plan at this time. Other developed countries may utilize systems such as a national healthcare insurance, like in Canada, a national health system, such as in the United Kingdom, and then socialized health insurance as in Germany. I am really excited to have you all in class this semester. I hope that you find these audios a little bit helpful. I will try to create them with each chapter. I am rather new to teaching this course, so I'm still trying to get my sea legs. So I appreciate your patience, I appreciate your interest, and I hope everyone has a great week and stays safe and stays healthy. Thanks.